I'm so glad to be here. Your analogy of the train, I want the engine of desire without any engine of doubt.
Of course you do.
Is there any way to get there other than experience?
That's really the best way.
Okay.
But here's the thing. You could go general and get there right away. Listen to these statements. I like being here in this body. New engine going that way. I am coming to understand law of attraction. Another engine. Things are always working out for me. Another engine. I like learning. Another engine. I'm getting better at this every day. Another engine. I'm having a good time with this. Another engine. I can figure it out as I go. Another engine. My guidance system is active and alive within me. Another engine. My inner being knows who I am and what I want. Another engine. If you are general enough, you can plunk a whole bunch of engines down going the way you want to go with no resistance. And you know what's wonderful about that? Everything that's in your vortex during that run is being allowed by you. Pretty good. But if you're saying, I want something more specific, and the feeling within you is, but I've wanted it for a long time, then without even meaning to, and so it's better to stay off the subjects that are bothersome, and in most cases just be general. That's why your children are so powerful in the beginning, because their desires are pure. They're not worried about too much too soon. You can return to that.
That's beautiful. So maybe avoid the big, huge, looking for a miracle things.
Well, just the fact that you're calling it a miracle.
I knew you were going
I
to say
really
that.
want this thing that there's not a snowball's chance in hell of me getting. It would be a miracle. Yeah. Not so much.
Yes.